Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are back with another cool set of cars, and this is the car that I am collecting in different variants. So you can see there are three variants of the same car in front of us. So let me start the video. I'll tell you one by one. This one is our main line and this is from India. This is Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, right? And this comes with this very cool blue color. I'm not I don't know like what's the actual color of it, but yeah, this is some kind of blue, right? So this is the main line that I've got from India only, around 179 rupees, and you can see this manufactured on 824, right? And this is a very nice piece if you see the detailing and all, right? There is front detailing also present over there. Very clean car actually, and this comes from the factory fresh series, right? And here comes the same model, right? And this is a short card. As you can see the clear difference between a long card and a short card, right? This is for India purpose, and this is for the UK region, okay, and Europe region. So I got this from my friend who went recently in Denmark. So he got from there this one, and this is a short card, and actually this one also I'll get on this later, right? This is also from Denmark only. So this is also the same car, but is some shade of gray actually, right? Very cool car, guys. And this is also from the same series. You can see the detailing over here from the front. I like better this blue one because of the color contrast, right? Let me know which one you like more. This both are main lines only. Just this is a short card and this is a long card, right? So you can see it's clear on the back. It's factory fresh 2024 and all these details on the short card. I'll come with a video with differences between the mainline short card, then the premiums and the semi premiums. There are a lot of things, right? But let's get on to this now. This is our premiums, and this is from their Hot Wheels Car Culture series, right? This is the one of five. I think the chase piece also of Alfa Romeo only. So my friend got this. You can see it's a very cool looking red color, right? And the main difference between the premium and the main line that I saw right here, if I just compare them, if you see the back, right, it's more detailed. I'm not sure whether you are able to see, right? Yeah, now you can see these are more detailed on the back. See the tail lights, right? And the number plate and all, it's written GTV 630. You can see the tail lights are very good, right? Now talking about the side portion, there is not much difference, right? It's overall the same only, just the tires are different. These are rubber tires and these are like usual mainline tires, plastic ones. From the front also you can see more detailing on the tail lights. You can see the yellow light over there, right? Or not the tail lights, the headlights, sorry. If you are able to compare them, see. So these are the mostly on the high level how this car the how the same car is differentiated, right? And one more thing I forgot, on the top, if you see, right, the sunroof over here. Here the sunroof is present, but they don't have any glass or something. And in premium there is a cutout over here, you can see, right? I'll show you from this angle so you can see it better. And this is awesome, guys, right? The premium that we have in this Alfa Romeo GTV6 3.0, it's very good. From the bottom also, if I show you, right, The base is of metal, here it's plastic only, so that is the key difference. But overall, this cars are same. Okay, these three of them are same only, the same model, just a minor difference, and the base some are metal, some are plastic, and the detailing. So this one also, if I talk about, right, this premium, I got this from Denmark only. My friend only got this. If you see, there are very different cars also: Toyota Supra, Volkswagen Brasilia, Audio S4. There were a lot of cars in this series, but although he got this one, I was very happy. And you can see these three are very good cars. And that's all for today, guys. We will meet in next video. Until then, stay subscribed, keep sharing, keep liking. Bye bye.